Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado is featured in a satin steel metallic paint finish and is the LTZ trim. Under the hood we have our 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 5 on a jet black leather seating surface. We have heated and cooled front seats, as well as heated rear seats, GPS navigation, a powered sunroof, power driver, and passenger seat. Outside of the vehicle, we have our spray-on bed liner, chrome assist steps, as well as alloy wheels. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, driver seat memory with our mirror memory and 2 memory settings, power mirrors, as well as our power windows, storage, as well as our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode, all of our drive mode settings for our 4-wheel drive, as well as our lighting controls, electronic parking brake, have audio controls on the back of the steering wheel, power driver seat finished in our jet black leather and heated and cooled. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, can see that we have our display cluster, greeted by Chevrolet when we close the door. Have a push to start ignition, so foot on the brake and our push the ignition. In the center now we can see that we have our digital information system. Have settings throughout, including audio, navigation, phone, additional settings, as well as a digital speedometer and fuel level. Moving down to below the steering wheel, have all of our cruise settings and our heated steering wheel, audio settings behind that we saw earlier, as well as our windshield wiper. Right hand side we have voice recognition, hands-free, as well as the controls for our display cluster information. You can see we can use it even when the vehicle is not on. We have more audio controls behind, as well as our shifter. In the middle we have our infotainment system. On it, we have our audio, which includes AM, FM, Sirius XM, as well as Bluetooth, Spotify, and Alexa. Phone connection, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Trailer and light controls. Also have our apps, Sirius XM, OnStar, My Chevrolet. Climate controls, camera, which is our rear backup camera. And then Spotify on the third page. Home screen is seen here. We have our radio, phone, and then we also have navigation on it. Home button in the bottom or below. Volume control, also seek, back, and menu controls if we don't want to use the touchscreen. Dual zone climate control with front and rear defrost, AC, sync, as well as auto mode, and fans in the center. Heated driver, as well as cooled driver seat, and cooled passenger and heated passenger seat. Push to start ignition, as we already saw. Across the bottom, we have our parking sensors, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, as well as traction control, way to turn on the 120-volt plugs, and downhill assist. Then we have an integrated trailer brake controller, USB-C, USB, 12-volt, and a 120-volt plug in the front of the vehicle. Storage below, 2 cup holders with more storage, leather finish center console, storage in the center. Deep storage inside with an SD slot, USB-C, USB, and aux in the center console. Powered passenger seat, also finished in our jet black leather, and heated and cooled. Moving above the rearview mirror, we have our OnStar settings at the front. Dome lights on either side with dome lighting control at the front. Slide tilt sunroof, power sliding third rear window. Universal garage door opener with our 3 settings. Then our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, just before our front door we have our Z71 badging for our off-road package. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Chevrolet bowtie center cap and a Bridgestone all-terrain tire. Moving out we have chrome-capped mirrors as well as our chrome-capped door handles. Chrome assist step across the bottom of the vehicle. All the way around to the back we have our corner bumper steps. Chevrolet etched into our tailgate, as well as our Silverado and LTZ badging. Dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as our trailer tow package. Power tailgate that we can release through the top. In the bed of the truck, we have our cable tie downs, and bed lighting, as well as a 120 volt plug. Also have our cable tie downs at the back. We have our chrome side rails, as well as a spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finished door handle, power window control, some storage, and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Between the two front seats, 2 cup holders up top with some storage, 2 vents, heated outboard seats, USB-C, USB, and a 12 volt plug for charging. All-weather floor mats. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench, finished in our jet black leather. 2 cup holders with storage in the center seat. Power sliding third rear window behind it. The outboard seats, we have our storage package, which consists of storage in the seats itself, as well as our underseat storage that's accessible by pushing up on the bottom. And we have a 60/40 folding split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Cadillac soon.